when we multiply fractions together, we have to multiply the numerators by each other and the denominators by each other. So everything on the top times everything on the bottom. Denominator times denominator. So let's have a look at an example. So shall we say 1/2 times 1/2? So another way of expressing that, so you could say 1/2 of 1/2, and I find that a useful way of looking at it. So we're dividing into smaller and smaller pieces. Let's draw it out. So we've got, oh, excuse me, getting ahead of myself there. So it's 1/2, so we're dividing into 2 equal pieces. And we're counting one of them because the numerator is equal to 1. So that's our first 1/2. But then again we need to take 1/2 of that. So let's imagine we're taking away this part and moving it over here. So here's a fresh one. Oops. So there we go. So we've got, so in the end we have 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. So our denominator is 4 and one of them is coloured in, so it's 1/4. And that's the same thing that would happen if we did 1/2 times 1/2. So we multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. Alright, so now a second example. So how about 1/2 of 2/3 now? So that's 1/2 of 2/3. So in this case, let's start by doing the 2/3. So we take 1 whole and we divide it into 3 equal pieces. And we select 2 out of those 3. 2 out of 3. And then again we need to take 1/2 of that to do this part. So I like to think of cutting out that half. So that's this piece here. So now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal pieces. So our denominator is 6. And then 2 of them are selected. So we have 2/6. And that's the same as if we'd got 1 times 2 over 2 times 3, which is 2/6. And we can do several numbers at once if we like. So for example, 1/2 times 3/7 times 5/6 is equal to 1 times 3 times 5 all over 2 times 7 times 6, which is 15/84.